Good morning, students. Today we start with our next topic. That one is the Arab Spring. It is now a part of second chapter, the end of bipolarity. As I told you earlier, there was a change in your syllabus, so a new topic is added in your second chapter, and that one is the Arab Spring, and it is added in your second lesson, that is the end of bipolarity. Now, Arab Spring, as this topic is new, so it is difficult for you to understand this, but the Arab Spring basically means an armed rebellion in the Arab worlds regarding the democracy. So I start. The Arab Spring was a series of anti-government protests, uprisings and armed rebellions that spread across much of the Arab world. So what does it mean? Basically it means the Arab Spring was a anti-government movement and the protest started by the people. Why? Because they wanted democracy and peace in their countries, and it spread across much of the Arab world. तो बच्चे ये अरब स्प्रिंग बेसिकली है क्या? ये एक एंटी गवर्नमेंट मूवमेंट है, प्रोटेस्ट है, अपराइजिंग्स हैं एंड आर्म्ड रिबेलियन है, and they were spread, and this Arab Spring, it basically spread across all the much of the Arab world, because these people, they were in favor of democracy, they were in favor of peace, they demanded elections in their country. So it began in response to the oppressive regimes and a low standard of living, starting with the protest in Tunisia. So basically this Arab Spring, it started where? It started in Tunisia, and it began in response to the oppressive regime. Oppressive regime means where the government is very hard, they do not give any freedom to their people, and then the people started protested against the government. And this Arab Spring basically this Arab Spring basically starts in Tunisia. And when did it started? It started on 18 December 2010. So Arab Spring started in the year 2010, and the date is 18 December. This topic, which is included in your chapter, this topic didn't gain so much of weightage. Maybe the question maybe come for 1 mark or 2 mark. So you have to just learn your dates or what the meaning of Arab Spring. So Arab Spring basically started where? It started in Tunisia, and it started on 18 December 2010. And what were the main goals of this spring? The main goal of this spring is democracy, election, economic freedom, human rights and regime change. Democracy, as you know, democracy means the people have right to vote. Election is the key to democracy. Economic freedom, आर्थिक स्वतंत्रता, और ह्यूमन राइट्स, मानव अधिकार, एंड रिजाइम चेंज. रिजाइम चेंज बेसिकली मीन्स तख्ता पलटना, यानी कि ये जो लोग थे ये क्या चाह रहे थे कि इनके देश में अब ये तख्ता पलटा जाए और क्या इस्टेब्लिश किया जाए? डेमोक्रेसी. एंड डेमोक्रेसी कैन ओनली बी इस्टेब्लिश थ्रू इलेक्शंस, एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग डेमोक्रेसी द पीपल विल गेट द इकोनॉमिक फ्रीडम एंड दे विल प्रोवाइड देयर राइट्स. So they were demanding regime change. Regime change means तख्ता पलटना. So basically Arab Spring अब है क्या? Arab Spring was a series of anti-government protest and armed rebellion against the government, and it spread across all the Arab world. So it was started where? It was started in Tunisia, and on which date? 18 December 2010. This topic didn't gain so much of weightage in your syllabus. Maybe the question come for 1 mark or 2 mark, or let the book come with the new edition book will come in the market, so that we will understand how much part is there in your books. However, right now NCERT book fresh new edition is not available in the market, so we will wait for the fresh new edition in the market. So there is a story behind this all Arab Spring. Now what is the story? See, this is the government office of Tunisia, and who is this person? This person is Mohammed Bouaziz. This person is Mohammed Bouaziz, and who is he? He is just a street vendor. जो लोग रेडी वगैरह लगाते हैं ये वही है, और इसका क्या नाम है? मोहम्मद बुआजीज़. एंड वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस तुनीसिया के बाहर खड़े होके इसने अपने आप को आग लगा ली थी. ही सेट हिमसेल्फ ऑन फायर ऑन विच डेट? 17 December 2010. So question will come for 1 mark, on which date Mohammed Bouaziz will set himself on fire, and the answer is 17 December 2010. Or a question will come, the Arab Spring occurred in which started its protest from which country? From Tunisia. And when did did it started? 18 December 2010. Or what were the goals of the Arab Spring? Questions may come like that. So the story behind this Arab Spring is that a person who is a street vendor named Mohammad Bouazi, he set himself on fire. On which date? On 17 December 2010. He set himself on fire. उसके बाद ही Arab Spring की कहानी start हुई है. At that time, who was the president of Tunisia? The president of Tunisia was Zine El Abidine Ben Ali. And he was the president from which period? From 1987 to 2011. So you have to learn all these dates. The question might come either in 1 mark or in 2 marks. So who set himself on fire? Mohammad Bouaziz. When did he set himself on fire? On 17 December 2010. And who was the president of Tunisia at that time? The president of Tunisia was Zine El Abidine Ben Ali, and the period was 1987 till 2011. The Arab Spring took its root where the struggle against corruption, unemployment and poverty was started by the public, which turned into political movement because the people considered the existing problems as outcome of dictatorship. As I told you earlier, this Arab Spring that started because the people were demanding democracy in their country. Why? Because these Arab countries were having dictatorship. Dictatorship means तानाशाही. एक ही रूल चल रहा है, एक ही इंसान का चल रहा है. So the people, they took its, the Arab Spring took its root where the struggle was started against corruption, unemployment and poverty by the people, and this protest turned into a political movement. Why? Because the people consider the existing problems are because of the dictatorship. So the demand for democracy that started in Tunisia. The demand for democracy started earlier where? In Tunisia, and it spread throughout the Muslim dominating Arab countries in West Asia. So the demand for democracy first started in where? In Tunisia. So the people living in Tunisia, they were demanding democracy, and later the protests, they started spread all in the Arab countries where the population of Muslims were higher. So even in Egypt, Hosni Mubarak, who had been in power in Egypt since 1979. In Egypt, in the year 1979, there was a government of whom? Hosni Mubarak. His government also collapsed as a result of the massive democratic protest. So even this Arab Spring spread in Egypt also, and at that time in the year 1979, whose government was there? Hosni Mubarak government was there, and it also collapsed as a result of massive democratic protest. The influence of Arab Spring could also be seen in Yemen, Bahrain, Libya and Syria, where similar protests by the people led to the democratic awakening throughout the region. So this Arab Spring spread in most of the Arab countries, in Tunisia, in Egypt, in Bahrain, in Libya, in Syria and in Yemen. So this Arab Spring is basically the anti-government protest, anti-government uprisings and armed rebellion. Why? Because the people living in these countries, they were fed up of their dictatorship and they wanted democracy, elections, human rights and regime change. I hope you understand this Arab Spring topic, and if you have any query, please ask me. Thank you.